In birds, the three-lobed kidneys filter blood to remove nitrogenous waste. The renal portal system exists, but blood can be directed around it. The kidneys produce urine, which possesses uric acid as the form of nitrogenous waste instead of urea in mammals. This uric acid conserves water and may have been especially important in the production of eggs, which do not lose water for urinary waste as they develop on land. The ureters then pass this urine into the cloaca because birds lack a urinary bladder. From the cloaca, the urinary waste passed through reverse peristalsis through the portions of the cloaca, the urodeum and then the coprodeum. From there they enter the large intestine, passing through reverse peristalsis into ceca, these extensions of the large intestine, which vary in size in different groups of birds. Here, the uric acid complexes with sodium and potassium ions to form solids, and this then extracts water which can then be conserved. And so the urinary nitrogenous waste will be excreted in solid form, thus conserving water. The large intestine is thus tied to the urinary system, and the urinary system depends on the gastrointestinal system, although there are sphincters which prevent urine and feces from being released at the same time. The urinary waste of birds thus form a white solid powder as opposed to the watery urine produced by mammals.